So I recently got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A34 and it has been pretty amazing. To start with, the A34's design is sleek and stylish and it weighs just about 199 grams. Despite its size, it feels really good in the hands, thanks to its rounded edges and its slim bezels. It has a U-shaped notch at the top of the screen that houses the selfie camera. It comes in 4 different colors: the lime, graphite, violet, and silver. The back of the phone features a sleek plastic panel with a not so glossy finish that looks great in daylight, but it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. It has no port for an earphone jack on the base. It has a Type-C charging port, 2 microphones, and a down-firing speaker grill. On the top of the device, you have a third microphone and a SIM card tray. Now, this SIM card tray can take either 2 SIM cards at a time or a single SIM card and an SD card for storage expansion. Now, it has an IP rating of 67, which means it is dust resistant and water resistant for up to 1 meter. But please do not put your device in water. Samsung is known for offering quality displays, and the Samsung Galaxy A34 is no exception. So the phone features a beautiful 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling through social media, playing games, and watching videos a real pleasure. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The display covers almost 85% of the front panel, which provides an immersive viewing experience. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is excellent, making this phone great to use in both indoor and outdoor settings, as it is rated at 1000 nits. Additionally, the display is protected by a Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. As for the unboxing experience, it is nothing exciting, as it pretty much houses just the phone and a Type-C to Type-C charging cable only, with an included leaflet. Let me know in the comment section if you're cool with this new trend or if you'd prefer getting the usual accessories included. I mean, considering its price at about 236,000 Naira, which is about $320 US. Now, one of the most impressive features of the Samsung Galaxy A34 is its camera, with a triple camera setup that includes a 48 megapixels main lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro lens. This phone allows you to capture stunning photos and videos that rival some of the higher end devices on the market. The camera quality is excellent and the images are sharp with accurate colors. The HDR mode works great in challenging lighting conditions. The wide-angle lens captures a lot more of the scene, making it perfect for capturing landscapes or group photos. The macro lens too delivers great results, allowing you to capture detailed shots of flowers, insects, or other small objects. The 13 megapixel front camera is equally impressive, capable of capturing crisp and detailed selfies in both photo and video mode. Both its front and rear cameras shoot videos at 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 frames per second. But the rear camera can give you slow motion videos too, as it does 1080p up to 60 frames per second and 720p up to 480 frames per second. That is for super slow motion. The camera comes equipped with an impressive AI-based scene optimizer that automatically adjusts the settings based on the environment you are shooting in. When it comes to features, the Samsung Galaxy A34 packs a punch. Now it comes with Samsung's OneUI 5.1 based on Android 13, which makes the user experience seamless and intuitive. The user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, delivering a smooth user experience. Its OneUI 5.1 offers several customization options, allowing users to personalize their phone's appearance to their preferences. The phone features a dedicated game booster mode, which optimizes the performance of the phone while gaming, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. The Samsung Galaxy A34 supports 5G, it is Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and also comes with an NFC sensor that allows for seamless contactless payment. The phone features an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is quick and accurate. It is a great addition and it makes unlocking the phone a breeze. Additionally, the phone supports facial recognition, which is equally as fast and accurate. But I wouldn't recommend it. As a tech enthusiast, I've had the privilege of using some really amazing phones in my time. But I've got to say, the Samsung Galaxy A34 is quite intriguing, so let's get on with its specs. But first, please hit the subscribe button right now to stay up to date with more contents like this. And also, I'll be dropping my review on the Samsung Galaxy A54 very soon, so you do not want to miss that. And trust me, you do not want to miss that. Now, it's not just the hardware on this phone that's impressive. The A34 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 octa-core processor and a Mali G68 MC4 GPU, which is a favorite among mid-range phones. It is accompanied by 6GB of RAM expandable to 12GB using RAM Plus and 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded via a micro SD card. The combination of the processor and the RAM makes the overall performance of this phone snappy and and responsive. It can handle multiple apps running in the background without any noticeable lag. It has a Geekbench result of 1021 single-core score and 2456 multi-core score, with an Antutu benchmark result of 472,741. Gaming on this phone feels really smooth and enjoyable. High graphics games were played at high graphics settings. The Samsung Galaxy A34 also features a 5000 mAh battery that supports 25 watts fast charging. I was able to use this phone for an entire day without needing to charge. And when I did need to juice it up, the fast charging was a real lifesaver, as the power supply in my part of the world is not very reliable. Aside having to acquire accessories separately, overall, the Samsung Galaxy A34 is an excellent phone for anyone in the market looking for a mid-range smartphone. With a fantastic camera, long-lasting battery life, and great design, the A34 is worth considering. This one should definitely be on your list. Now, that's my review of the Samsung Galaxy A34. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Alright, so at this point, if you like everything the Samsung Galaxy A34 has got to offer, but you feel is a little pricey or out of your price range, do not worry, I got you. All you have to do is hit the link above or the link in the description section and check out the TechnoSpark 10 Pro, packed with amazing specs and at a very decent price. Or watch any of the suggested videos at the end of this one. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now to stay up to date with more content like this. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again, bye bye.